XCAT-SmartShield, one UE shielding solution for 5G NR testing.
XCAT-SmartShield is a specially designed one UE shielding solution that can provide easy connection from to UE antenna by over-the-air manner, with effect of conducted connection. XCAT-SmartShield includes USB port for collecting diagnostic logs and controlling the UE. Built-in MOS test module allows voice MOS measurement of commercial UEs. Why XCAT-SmartShield? 5G NR test, 8x8 MIMO test, reduced crosstalk, protocol test, functional test, supports smartphone test without external antenna connector, reliability and stability, robust hardware. Coupler, isolation, cooling. When you install a smartphone on top of a coupler, the smartphone's built-in antenna and XCAT-SmartShield's coupler are close. Therefore, the path loss of the coupler becomes smaller. Coupler's RF signal is transmitted through the RF port of the I/O panel. The signals of the base station are transmitted to the smartphone via a coupler. The signals of the smartphone are transmitted through the coupler to the base station. XCAT-SmartShield has suction fan and exhaust fan. The heat of smartphone is released through the fan and temperature of smartphone is lowered. Thanks to this forced cooling systems, XCAT-SmartShield supports long-time 5G NR test up to 5 hours. This graph is the result of the battery temperature of the smartphone and the external test laboratory temperature of XCAT-SmartShield. The battery peak temperature of the smartphone is 34.4 degrees Celsius. The peak temperature in the laboratory is 27.3 degrees Celsius. Smartphone maintains 5G in a download throughput 1.2 Gbps environment without switching to LTE for 5.2 hours. Therefore, long-time 5G test can be conducted thanks to cooling systems. XCAT-SmartShield completely blocks external interference. This shielding performance was measured for 6 frequencies in the sub-6 band. The margin relative to limit, 60 dB, is at least 17 dB. XCAT-SmartShield consists of 6 hardware components. You can easily connect XCAT-SmartShield as following procedure. After connecting the adapter to the wall AC power, connect the adapter to the DC jack of external power supply. Connect the black color USB cable to the Note PC and external power supply. Connect the blue color USB cable to the XCAT-SmartShield hardware and external power supply. XCAT-SmartShield has powerful shielding performance. When the I/O panel is opened, 5G and LTE signals are detected in XCAR. When the I/O panel is closed, 5G and LTE signals are not detected in XCAR.